Guess what? You don't need a fancy degree or coding skills to build a website anymore. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use Hostinger's website builder to create a sleek one-page website that's perfect for anyone starting out. If you're interested, get ready and let's build a website together. A one-page website can seamlessly blend an elegant design, engaging content, and effortless navigation to deliver a straightforward yet exciting user experience. There's no need to click through multiple pages for visitors to find what they want, as everything is displayed on a single page, clear and to the point. Better yet, one-page websites typically maintain faster load times, which means users will experience shorter wait times, and that will put a big smile on their faces. To top it all off, building a one-page website is super easy to do thanks to the power of AI and easy-to-use design tools that are at the core of our website builder. You can use AI to generate your website or choose a pre-designed template from the library. Then just fill it up with some copy text, add some sweet visual content, and you're all set. And I promise you, it is as easy as it sounds. For this tutorial, we will be using our very own Hostinger website builder. I'll show you everything that you need to know how to use it so you can confidently build your one-page website. We offer the website builder tool in all of our hosting plans, so let me show you how to get one first. To use the Hostinger website builder, we're going to need a hosting plan first. This plan provides the storage space for your website to be live on the internet. To get it, just head to the Hostinger website builder page by clicking the link in the description below. Okay, so here you can see our web hosting packages dedicated to the website builder. Both of them are great and offer 24/7 customer support, lifetime SSL certificates, a free domain name for the first year, and a way to create a professional email. But the biggest difference between the plans is that the business one includes extra AI tools that supercharge the creation process of your website and make it that much easier. So for this demonstration, let's pick the business website builder plan and continue to the checkout. The process here is fairly simple. Just pick your subscription plan that suits your budget, register a new account, or log into an existing one using Google or your email address, and now all you have to do is pick your preferred payment method here on the left and fill out the required information. Oh, and for our loyal viewers out there, click this button and enter the discount code WB10 to get an extra 10% off your purchase. Alright, so after you've acquired the hosting plan, now we can get to the fun stuff. Let's continue through the setup process by selecting the AI website builder. If you want to try to build a website from a template, I will leave a video with our favorite picks for a one-page website template in the description so you can check it out. Okay, now in the AI generator form, you are going to have to answer 3 simple questions. First, your brand name, which will be the title of your website. Next, since we're making a one-page website, let's pick landing page as our website type since they're pretty similar in their form. And lastly, describe your business and what makes it stand out. Make sure to be as detailed as possible with your website description. This way, you'll get the best AI-generated website result. For example, you can include your background experience in a greater detail so that the AI can lean in that direction and come up with a more accurate website copy. If you already have an idea of how you want your website to look, click the following button to adjust the overall website style and the color palette you wish to see. But if you choose Surprise Me, the AI will try to generate something completely new. So give it a chance. You can always change these settings later in the builder. Click Create a Website and wait a few moments for the builder to finish creating your website. Now, as you can see, this one-page website already has everything that you need, from engaging call to actions to copy text and even a few stock and AI-generated photos. If you don't quite like what the builder has generated you, don't worry. You can click back to AI form and try again until you get something that suits you. If you like the result now, click this button over here to jump into the builder interface and let's customize your website further. Alright, let me give you a quick overview of how to use our builder. So, you can drag and drop any element on the page to arrange it and place it where you prefer. So go ahead and drag things around, select them, click on them to get to know how the interface works. You can select the page section and resize it and also edit it further using this menu right here. Okay, so if you'd like to add a new item to the page, say a text box, a button, or embedded video, you can do that by clicking this Add Element tab on the left toolbar menu and dragging whatever you need on the website. The left side menu also contains tabs for other builder functions like pages and navigation, website styles, AI tools, blog posts, online store configuration, SEO settings, and much more. Feel free to explore them to get to know everything that you can do with our builder. To make sure you're on the right track to publish your website, you can refer to this neat little checklist over here. It shows a few suggested steps to complete before launching your website. Now, let me walk you through the process of customizing the most essential sections of any website to make it look professional and easy to navigate. So, even with a one-page setup, all the essential elements you'd expect to find on a regular website, like the About, Services, Social Proof, and Contact sections, should be here. It's just that we'll be dividing them into multiple sections instead of separate pages. So, first let me show you how you can edit your page before we move on to improving its navigation. First things first, let's check out what we have on our site so far. Sometimes, depending on the prompt you use, the AI website builder might generate more pages or sections that you need by default. But don't worry, you simply need to delete them first to turn your website into a single page one. Now, go to the Pages and Navigation section on the left toolbar, click this gear icon next to the page you want to remove, and choose Delete. Simple as that. Alright, now that we've cleaned up what we don't need, let's customize the website further. I'll add an image next to the About section by selecting it and clicking Change Image on this tab. Here you can either upload an image from your computer or use free images by clicking on this tab and browsing through Unsplash's free stock image directory. You can generate AI images too by clicking this button, so make sure you use it if you can't find anything to illustrate your idea. If you want to edit the text, select the text box and then click Edit Text to pop open the advanced menu for editing tools. There is an AI text generator too if you need help coming up with some ideas, so remember to use it to your advantage as well. So for the Services section, try to focus on clear, concise descriptions of what you want to offer. Highlight the benefits each service brings to potential clients and keep it neat with short paragraphs and clear visuals. In your Social Proof section, let potential clients see the value you deliver through the eyes of satisfied customers. Include short quotes or snippets from positive reviews mentioning the client's name and title for credibility. You can also showcase logos of well-known clients that you work with. If you haven't noticed already, you can click this blue button that says Add Section and you will be treated with a choice of section templates and, of course, the ability to generate a section using AI. Finally, in the Contact section, customize your contact form and its button by selecting it and clicking Edit Form. Here you can configure where you want to get notifications when someone submits a form, add more fields to it, tweak its style, and even add an animation for it when it appears on your website. In fact, every element has this option, so go ahead and try it out. Given that you're building a one-page website, adding animation is an excellent way to make your site even more engaging and interactive. You can apply this not only for each element, but for your entire site. Okay, so just go to the Website Styles menu on the left toolbar, select the Animations tab, and pick an animation you'd like to apply to all of the site's elements. Hit the Preview button on the upper right corner of your website and scroll through the website to check it out. Looking good! Once you're here, you can also check out how your website looks on mobile devices by clicking this tiny smartphone icon and tweak its layout here. Changing the layout on mobile devices doesn't affect the layout on how it looks on desktops, so keep that in mind when you're double checking your website before publishing. Alright, great work so far. After getting the framework part of your website settled, let's tweak the header and footer. In a website, the header and footer acts as key navigation anchors, offering users speedy access to vital info and boosting the site's overall ease of use. A good header typically includes your site's logo or branding and a concise navigation menu. Clicking it lets you edit its style, layout, and navigation settings. Here is where you can add your logo if you have one, or you can generate one with our AI logo maker by clicking here or using the link in the description of this video. Since we're creating a one-page website, a sticky menu will let your visitors jump to any section they want whenever they want it. So for the homepage, it will always be created by default. So I'll add the Services, Social Proof, and Contact sections to the navigation menu as an example. To do that, select the section you want, now click Edit Section and navigate to the Anchor tab. Here, give it a name starting with a hashtag and repeat this procedure to all other sections that you want. Once you're done, head to the Pages and Navigation section and click the little icon on the bottom that says Add Link. A window will pop up asking you to name the link and where do you want it to lead. So name the link of your section, and in the linked drop-down menu, select section. Another drop-down will appear where you can choose a section that you will want to link to. Set any other options if you prefer and hit save. A new menu item will appear in the navigation section and in the header. Do this for all the sections that you want, and if you need, rearrange the order of them by clicking and dragging the links in the Pages navigation toolbar. Once you're done, you can finish up editing the header by clicking on it and tweaking the layout settings for your newly created sections. Okay, moving on to the footer. It should complement the header by showing additional navigation options such as links to important pages, contact information, or legal disclaimers. To edit it, go to the very bottom of your page to find the footer. Here, I'll add social media links, a text box with my contact email, and a form to subscribe to my newsletter, which you can configure just like the form I showed earlier. So let's add a little text box with a copyright disclaimer too, and we're all done. With everything looking good, let's move on to applying some basic SEO methods to your site. No matter what kind of website you're making, applying essential SEO practices will significantly boost your website's quality. In short, SEO focuses on increasing your site's visibility on search engines so you can leverage your online presence. While Hosting Your Website Builder takes care of the technical SEO aspects by default, such as giving your site the best speed, security, and mobile responsiveness, your part is to take care of the on-page SEO efforts. Since you're working on a one-page website, it is important to make the most out of your content. Start by picking a couple of important keywords related to your topic and weave them naturally through your site. After that, don't forget about the behind-the-scenes stuff. Your title tag and meta description act as the front line of your website as they shape first impressions and influence click-through rates. If you're using images, give them fitting names and alt tags that include your keywords. If all of that sounds too much information at once, don't worry. Hosting Your Website Builder provides built-in SEO tools to help you come up with the best SEO practices for your site. Head to the left toolbar on the builder, select the three-dotted menu, and click SEO Settings. The builder will provide tips on how to improve your website's SEO so you can tweak your website according to them. You can even utilize the SEO Assistant feature by clicking this button and following through the 3 basic steps that will help you generate and set up an SEO title, meta description, and keywords for your page. If the topic of SEO is still a bit confusing to you, check out our YouTube channel where we have a bunch of videos covering SEO best practices that you will definitely find useful. Okay, so now it looks like our website is almost done and our site setup checklist is almost complete. So let's cross out the final task by publishing your website. Before you publish your website to the world, consider going through all of the elements and sections in your website to double check if you said it properly and proofread any text that you've written. Then, check if it looks good on the mobile version and tweak it if necessary. Now, before you go live, make sure you've connected your domain name to your website. You can do that by hovering over the tab in the top right corner of the builder that has a temporary domain and then clicking Connect Your Own Domain button. Follow the domain setup process by selecting a domain name you already have or enter a new one here and select it from the list. Finish up registering your domain, and once that's done, hit the Go Live button here to publish your website. Oh, and one more thing to keep in mind. This action will automatically create a backup of your site's files. Therefore, any changes that you make to the site will be automatically saved too. In case you made a mistake or simply want to revert your site to a previous version, you can hover over this menu and click the See Available Backups button. Take a moment to celebrate your accomplishment and then make sure to spread the news about your website. You've put in the hard work, so celebrate your success by sharing it on social media and with your network. And that's all there is to it when building a one-page website with a Hosting Your Website Builder. I hope I made it easy for you to build it yourself. So, how did you enjoy the Hosting Your Website Builder experience? Leave us your thoughts and honest feedback in the comments below so we can step up our game and make the process even more smooth in the future. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with anyone who is eager to build their website. Also, subscribe to the Hosting Your Academy YouTube channel and turn on notifications to not miss out on any new content that we post every single week. As always, thank you for watching and good luck on your online journey.